Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.
Family, may I show you something here? Some real quick, I want food place with it, right? Filipino food place. And the closest kind of food that come like a yard, for yard people. And the closest food to ours, we can eat. Yeah, so let me show you something. What more I show you this? See that sign there? Chemical known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects and other protein. You see that? How you doing? Good, Gloria. Give me some rice. I'm good. Yes. Rice. Small? Yes. So what I'm saying, you see that sign? It has a food there have cause cancer. Chemical known to the state of California. That we say cancerous there, so.
Beef steak.
Yes. Yes.
To go?
To go, yeah. Yes. See that? You see that? So basically what I say, you come here to eat food, but I say you can get cancer and chemical in a food place can give birth defect and all them things there. You see it? See there? Up on the sign I say, food place. And it's all over California. You see that sign? Alright.
Viewers and subscribers, you see that? You look on that good? Then make sure them are warn you, know. Then make sure them are tell you so them know say the chemical in some of the food them, you know. And then make sure them put the warning, you know. So if you eat it, you know, you eat it at your own risk, you know. You see that? No, but birth defect, cancer, some of the chemicals in the food, you know. You see me? Basically, it will give the warning, say some of the things them where you buy, the food and the beverages have these chemicals in it. Viewers and subscribers, bear in mind that the way how I explain it is not exactly as how it has been said or as how the writing is on the piece of warning sign that is there in the restaurant that is shown on the video, you know. But viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, to make sure you take a look at this and be aware, think, cause you see what I want. You see it. You see me? Big proof say that some of the food them, right, and the beverage them have the chemical we are sell in these restaurants. You see it? So no not take on nobody. Alright? Alright, viewers and subscribers, I just believe it. On go upset this I bring to you was somewhat educational, you know, and just let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?